Good afternoon, everyone. This is Pooja Sani, as you all know. Before starting with this video, I would like to thank all of you that you have appreciated my video, and your likes matters a lot to me. And by this video, I just want to request to all my people, please follow all precautionary measurements. As you know, cases are increasing day by day. So to avoid lockdown, be it partial or full lockdown, and to avoid unemployment, which you all are facing and our entire country is facing. So please follow all the instructions and the guidelines from the government. Please keep wearing mask throughout the day, be in office, be outside, and use sanitizer every time, and please maintain social distancing and avoid crowded places. As you all know, the doctor is saying that this virus will keep changing its shades, and we may not get rid of this virus throughout the life. So you have to understand this importance, that what exactly unemployment means to us, and about that person who is the only earning member in the family. It's my humble request, please follow all the instructions and follow the guidelines. If you will follow everything, the cases will start decreasing. We don't want to face whatever we have faced in last year, the entire lockdown, which has given a bad impact, a worse impact on economy of our country, and unemployment, which is still rising. People are dying for the job, and we all are trying our level best to offer you the jobs. Please make it clear that this is our luck now, but yes, we need to fight with corona as we have fight last year. Please understand the importance. I will also talk to in हिंदी. मेरी बस यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ इन सब गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करो. ये आपके लिए ही कर रही है गवर्नमेंट, अपने नहीं. गवर्नमेंट को कोई शौक़ नहीं है कि वो लॉकडाउन करे या स्ट्रिक्ट हो. हम उन्हें मजबूर कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग मास्क नहीं पहन रहे, सोशल डिस्टेंस नहीं रख रहे, हम इतने भीड़ भड़के एरिया में घूम रहे हैं. आप खुद ही देख लीजिए महाराष्ट्र में क्या हुआ है. पूरा लॉकडाउन हो रहा है, हर कोई अपनी नौकरी से हाथ धो रहा है. अगर आप नहीं चाहते ये सब, तो प्लीज़ गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो कीजिए और ये साबित कीजिए कि हम हर चीज़ से लड़ सकते हैं, कोरोना से भी. ऐसा ना हो कि आने वाले हर साल हर बंदे को नौकरी की दिक्कत फेस करनी पड़े. प्लीज़ मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ इसे सीरियसली लें और उन लोगों के बारे में भी सोचिए जो एक ही मेंबर है फैमिली में जो अर्न कर रहे हैं, उनके भी बच्चे, उनकी वाइफ सब हैं, उन पे क्या बीत रही है. एज बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ मैन पावर इंडस्ट्री, I have seen many. Daily I'm getting calls and emails from the candidates regarding the job, but we can only offer according to the company's requirements. If you don't want the employment to become from bad to worse situation, please follow the guidelines, and please wear mask if you're outside, even in your office, and please maintain social distancing, and please start avoiding crowded places. Yes, you can go out with the family, but maintain all the distancing, and please take precautionary measurements. Thank you so much.